If your 2011 Kia Sportage is refusing to turn over, don't call the tow truck just yet. Statistically, almost half of the starting issues on this Sportage generation are caused by simple battery or terminal failures. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find the exact culprit. Start with safety by engaging the parking brake, then inspect your battery terminals for any signs of heavy corrosion. If you hear a single loud click when turning the key, your starter motor or its signal wire is likely the problem. Beyond the battery, a failed crankshaft position sensor is a notorious issue for this specific model year. Simple electrical cleaning is a great DIY task, but fuel system repairs are usually best left to a professional. Costs can range from a $20 relay to over $600 for a complete fuel pump assembly. If you are stranded, gently tapping the starter motor while turning the key can sometimes get you home. Keep a 10mm wrench and a basic scanner in your glove box to handle these common Kia glitches. Remember, a loose ground wire costs nothing to fix, so check your connections before buying a new starter. Follow these steps and you will have your Sportage back on the road in no time. Safe driving.